How to get rid of stretch marks. Coming with visible lines on different parts of the body, a stretch mark is a common condition that indicates the sudden changes in our weight. You can find easily this problem on the skin of people who are in puberty or pregnancy. It occurs on different parts of your body such as an abdominal wall, breasts, arms, or buttocks. Heredity is another factor deciding whether you have stretch marks or not. If your mom has the signals of this symptom, you actually get a high chance of stretch marks. There are a great number of ways to help you know how to get rid of stretch marks in an effective way. 1. Apply a moisturizer. One of the simplest ways to remove stretch marks is using a moisturizer. With the herbal origin, a moisturizer plays an important role in supporting your skin elasticity and appearance. The moisturizer has better effectiveness on the fresh marks than the older ones. You can purchase a moisturizer at the local shop or do it by yourself. Making your own moisturizer is not so challengeable with the combination of aloe vera, olive oil, and germ oil. Moisturizer not only has the main function of reducing wrinkles, moles, pimples, and dark spots but stretch marks. All you need to do is massaging the skin within 5 to 10 minutes towards circular motions. Then, use a soft cloth to cover this area. Relax with a bottle of hot water wrapped in the skin in 30 minutes. Regularly apply this method in 1 month and see your quick result. 2. Use aloe vera. As a valuable gift of nature, aloe vera has the special ability to make your skin more beautiful. It is proud of soothing and healing your skin in a surprisingly fast way. The first ways you can apply directly on your skin is rubbing it with aloe vera gel, waiting for 15 minutes and washing this affected area by warm water. This method saves your time if you have aloe vera plant right in your house. You will need creating a mixture of 10 capsules of vitamin E, 5 capsules of vitamin A and aloe vera gel. This mixture will absorb gradually into your skin. Apply this gel on your skin every day to get the best results. 3. Rub egg whites. Egg whites contain a great amount of protein and amino acids, which can enhance the elasticity of your skin. After washing the affected skin, you must use your clean hands or a makeup brush to rub the skin with egg whites. Wait about 15 minutes for the egg whites to dry completely. Then, clean the skin with cold water. To make your skin moisturized, add a little amount of olive oil on its surface. You had better apply this method to 2 weeks to reach the result. 4. Take advantage of lemon juice. It is very important for women in pregnancy to know how to get rid of stretch marks. We all know the importance of lemon juice in reducing scars, acne as well as stretch marks. Firstly, you should rub the juice on the affected skin towards circular motions. After 10 minutes, rinse your skin with warm water. If you want the affected area to be brighter, you could combine the lemon juice with cucumber juice. 5. Use white sugar. White sugar is a natural way for you to exfoliate the skin and remove stretch marks. To get the best results, you should add some drops of almond oil and lemon juice together. Rub gently the mixture on the skin areas within some minutes. Regularly apply this method in some months and you will be happy with its results. 6. Try potato juice. Have you ever used potatoes to make your skin brighter? Let's discover how to get rid of stretch marks by potato. Potato is very helpful in promoting your skin cells. The reason is that this plant provides a rich source of minerals and vitamins. Your responsibility now is covering the skin by different slices of potatoes. The starch inside the potatoes has the powerful strength in making stretch marks lighter. Wait some minutes for the skin to dry and rinse this area with warm water. 7. Drink water. Water plays an essential role in human life. It is advisable for you to remain the hydration of your body by drinking as much water as possible. By this way, it helps enhance the elasticity of your skin and protect it from common issues. 8 to 10 glasses of water are enough to help you start a new day with the happiness. Moreover, some types of drinks can affect negatively to your stretch marks such as soda, tea, and coffee. 8. Go to the doctor. One fact is that natural solutions above only help reduce the situation of stretch marks. If you want to treat it completely, ask the doctors for more help. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.